This is the fifth problem from Hall and Knight Higher Algebra Chapter 1 Ratios. The problem is if x is to y is equal to 3 is to 4, find the ratio of 7x minus 4y is to 3x plus y. Now this is a straight property of ratio. This property is called componendo and dividendo. What it says is, suppose we have two ratios, a is to b and x is to y, and these ratios are equal. So what it says is, suppose we have four constants m, n, p and q, then we can multiply one ratio. Say we can multiply a by m, n by b, and then we can either add or subtract. Similarly, in the denominator we can multiply a by p and b by q. Again, we can either add or subtract. What this property say is, as long as we do this operation on both the ratios, we will get the same ratio. Of course, we have to be careful that denominators should not become 0. That is, we cannot do any addition or multiplication such that PA plus minus QB becomes 0 or PX plus minus QY becomes 0. So in short, what this property is saying is that as long as we do any sort of multiplying by constants and adding the denominators, as long as we do it on both the sides, the equality of the ratios will be maintained. So coming back to the problem, we are given that x is to y is equal to 3 is to 4. Perhaps now with this example it will be clear what I was talking about componendo and dividendo. What we have to do is, we have to find 7x minus 4y divided by 3x plus y. So we already know that x is to y is equal to 3 by 4. Now you can see the similarity between these terms here. So for example, our m in this case is 7. So as long as we do the same operation as we have done on the left side, if we do the same operations on the right hand side, we'll get the same ratio. 7x minus 4y, let us multiply the numerator first. So what we are saying is, if we multiply 7 times 3 minus 4 times 4, the denominator is 3x plus y, so we have to do the similar operation on the right hand side. 3 times 3 plus 4. So this will be equal to 21. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 minus 16 is 5. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 4 is 30. So we can straight away calculate the ratio of 7x minus 4y and 3x plus y. This ratio will be equal to 5 by 13.